Hello guys, this is Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm just going to look at how to do some farm migration in PantherSwap, and also how to remove liquidity, and also how to stake in the new farms that were set up. So guys, some of you guys have been asking very many questions. That's why I decided to come up with this tutorial. So to begin with, we go to PantherSwap. As you can see, we are already in PantherSwap, and then we go to farms. So let us go to farms. So some of you were saying that your staked farms were not showing here. For example, I'm having a stake in Panther BNB LP, but it is not showing here. So what you have to do, you just have to go down at the bottom. These ones at the top are the new farms that we want to migrate to. So the old farms are below and they are branded with V2. So let's go down. All these are new farms. So as you can see, this one has V2. That one is an old farm. So people who are having stakes here can migrate from it. So for me, I'm having a stake in Panther BNB LP V2. So as you can see, it is showing. So what we do here is we first unstake. We first unstake by clicking on the negative sign here. Negative sign. Let me first harvest this. So after harvesting it, then I'm going to unstake from here. Hold on. Yeah, it's done. So click on the negative sign here, and then we click max. I'm unstaking everything. Then confirm. We approve. We wait for it because it is pending. Now we have unstaked. So step number 2, we go to PancakeSwap. So this is done. We go to PancakeSwap. Sorry, I've gone to Panther again. We have to go to PancakeSwap. Checking the new dApps here. Then we go to liquidity. And your liquidity should be able to show up here under your liquidity. So if it doesn't show up, then you need to import it. Let us hold on and see, because it is loading. It is not there. So we just have to add to import it. Click it here. As you can see, your liquidity, it is showing there. Your pool tokens are 2.18. Now it is showing because I have unstaked it in PantherSwap. That's why it is showing here. So if it doesn't show, then you need to put it there. So guys, it is showing. So if it is showing, Then we need to split it by clicking on the remove button. This is the remove button here. Then it will show the number of Panther that you have and the number of BNB that you have after the split. So this one is not showing, I don't know why. We click max. So if you click on max, that's when it will show. It will show that I'm having 44 Panther and 0.1858 BNB. So after doing that, then you can approve. You approve here again. And then you wait. Now you have to be patient here. The approval part here takes some time. Then after approving it, this 44 Panther will be added onto my already. So you click on the remove button and then you confirm. You approve and you wait for confirmation. So the transaction has been submitted, so you need to hold on, and my Panther 44 Panther will be added on the Panther I've been having already, and the BNB should also be added on the BNB that I've been having in my wallet. So after that is done, then we have to go back to PantherSwap and add liquidity. So this is done. We go to PantherSwap. We go to PantherSwap. So as you see here, now my Panther in the wallet has increased because I've added in the Panther. So after going to PantherSwap, we have to add liquidity so that we can be able to farm. So we go to the farm that you want. So I'm staking Panther BNB. So now at the moment we choose the new ones because they're the ones at the top. So this is Panther BNB. As you can see here, we go to details and then we click on this arrow here where you see deposit Panther BNB LP. There is a pink arrow here. You click on it and then we add liquidity. So here you choose the number of Panther that you want. So and it should match with the BNB. So if you want to use the total Panther, let me use 50. Let me use 50 Panther for the purpose of this tutorial. So it will show you the number of BNB that will be needed. So you have to leave some BNB to cater for the fees. As you see, in all the transactions, we have been paying fees in BNB. So I've chosen 50 Panther and it will be equivalent to 0.2. So click on supply and then we confirm supply. We approve and transaction has been has been submitted, so we close it here. So I'm having LP tokens in my wallet. So what I have to do now is to go to the farm itself, that I've chosen, and I do some staking. So I chose the Panther BNB. As you can see here, approve the contract. So after approving the contract, you click on stake. Your your LP tokens should be there. So as you can see, they are showing there. I'm having 2.3. So I click on max. I want to stake all of them and then confirm. Approve. And it is pending confirmation, so you have to wait. After confirming, my Panther BNB LP shows here, as you can see down there. It is showing 2.3. So after a few minutes, I'll begin getting, as you can see, Panther began getting Panther. So guys, this is how we do farm migration in PantherSwap. So that's it, guys. If you have not got it, you can always rewind a video and watch it again. Those are the step by step on how to do some farm migration. So please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos that I bring out every day. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.